I'm Jen with the Whistling Kettle. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a cold steep using our Conflicted Brewer. This is the easiest of all of the methods. It really doesn't get any easier than this. So we're going to take 3 tablespoons of our green goji berry tea. And we're going to top it off with some filtered cold water. Fill it all the way to the top. Now we're going to top her off with our lid. We're going to put this into the fridge for 7 to 24 hours. We're going to leave it overnight, so. All right, it's been 24 hours, so we're going to go ahead and take out our infuser now. Pour over our ice. And that's it.